Want a free haircut? Go to this link down below for more info.
All right, bro, what we getting done today?
I'm just trying to get this all like cleaned up, the fade.
Bet. You want the fade like all around, or do you just want the fade like right here and right here?
I want like a taper.
Okay, taper.
Yeah, for sure.
Bet. Do you don't get this lined up, do you? Right? No.
I mean, I had a barber do it before, and like I mean, I trust you because I feel like you could like line up and you won't like push my shit back. You know what I'm saying? But,
yeah, I think I could razor this part, but not touch the line.
Yeah,
right here.
yeah.
All right, cool, perfect.
YouTube, today we got a quick cleanup on my guy right here. This is a first time client. As soon as he sat in my chair, he actually was hoping that I was gonna record. Like when I asked him, "You cool with being on YouTube?" He got excited. He was like, "Yeah, I was actually hoping you would ask." So super dope, the people I get to meet. Anyways, we're just gonna cut down the sides and the back. You wanna be very careful when doing this part. The problem he had with previous barbers is that they would messily do this part. Is that even a word? They would just rush and do this part and then cut all his long hairs, because you know, if you run into that part up there, you can snag some hairs and mess with the long hair. So you never want to do that. I know when I had long hair, that was my biggest issue with barbers. They just wouldn't care. They would just freehand trim all the loose hairs. Like, nah, don't touch none of the long hairs. Like, just leave them, trust me. So we're following this line all around his head. And I have my 1.5 guard. Lever is open, I kind of close it after this part. On this side, it kind of cut a bit lighter. That's the thing about cutting people's hair for the first time. You don't know what you're gonna run into. So you just gotta deal with it. It is what it is. So I like to close my lever and then go right above the line. I mean, right to the line. So to start the taper, I call this a baby taper. We just gonna put our first line in and then do the C cup. Taper process, super simple. I have tons of videos on it. This time we're just gonna do lever open, one open. And we already know what we're fading up into, so very simple, very easy. A taper is pretty much a mini fade. So I always say tapers are harder than fades because you kind of, you know, overcomplicate it and just compress it, but they're always worth it. I do believe tapers do come out cleaner than fades if you do it right. I got my Snap FX trimmers. I'm able to press a little bit hard with these. That's kind of why I like them. So as you can see, I'm going around his ear. So he told me just to cut the whole beard off. That's what we're doing. We're just gonna keep the chin going on. Same thing for this side. Sometimes I like the outline around the ear and the C cup before I do the taper, because it can kind of make it, you can kind of preserve the C cup darkness when doing that. And I definitely feel like I did that. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that sub button. Let's get it. I'm dropping weekly content. I'm trying to drop 5 videos during the week and nothing on the weekends. Maybe some shorts or something. So hit that sub button. Much more content, bangers coming. Let's get it. If you guys are interested in that free cut, hit the website and follow the instructions. You just gotta submit a few pictures of your hair. If I approve it, I'll send you, all the details, and you guys can come on through. Let's get it. So for the back taper, same thing. We're just gonna spread it out. This is my favorite part of this cut. I think the back taper came out clean. We're just detailing right now. And right here I saw some dark spots, so we're gonna go back in. And now we're doing a shape up. And just notice how I got the hair pinned up. A lot of people don't like pinning up hair. They'll just lift it up with their comb and stuff. Nah, be safe. Just be safe and pin the hair up. That way you don't risk trimming any of it. Like, nah. Shout out Easy Blade. Use my promo code, the 4th Ken, for 10% off. We're just gonna go against the grain real quick, and now we're gonna do his beard. So you guys saw in the client consultation, he wanted it disconnected. Gonna shape the stash up real quick. He said he kind of liked the whiskers a little bit, so we're not gonna like super chop it, but yeah. Look at that, it came out clean. So this is how much my client paid me for this service. This is how he came in. And this is how he's leaving. I'm gonna catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.